Want free cloud credits from Vultr and the best Vultr promo code for 2026? Watch this to the end. In this video, I'll show you how to grab Vultr credits, apply a working Vultr promo code, and start hosting for free on Vultr's global cloud platform, even if you've never used it before. Vultr is one of the fastest cloud hosting providers, with VPS servers, bare metal, object storage, and worldwide data centers. It's perfect for hosting websites, apps, and dev environments with pay-as-you-go billing. Vultr credits are promotional balances you can use just like cash to pay for servers, storage, networking, and more. They let you launch and test real infrastructure without spending your own money, but they expire, so use them fast. If you want more cloud savings and bonus offers, hit like, subscribe, and check the description for the latest working Vultr promo codes you can use today. Right now, Vultr offers some of the most valuable credits for new users. For example, use Fly 300 VULTR to get up to $300 in free credits. Flight 100 can give you $200 credits. 250 VultrFly gives $250 credits on sign-up. And VULTR MATCH matches your first deposit up to $100. Vultr. These codes are for new accounts only and must be entered during sign-up or in the billing promo code field.